Hey, what's happening, everybody? This happens to be one of our 427 Windsor engines here. This one was built that's going to be like a street track car. You wanted 600 horsepower on naturally aspirated. We got no compression whatsoever. This is built so it's going to run a lot of boost. So again, this motor's been built and dynoed by us, making about 630 horsepower, 850 on here. This is going to be running boost. This thing has only got about 9.8 compression, still making 630 horsepower. But again, when the boost goes on, who knows, probably be about 800 and something horsepower. It's got all great pieces. Got a dart block, mechanical steel roller camshaft in it. It's got AF4 heads on it. It's got an eagle rotating assembly, forged steel crank, H-beam rod, forged piston, all filed for the boost. MSD distributor, and got a nice 850 Holley on here. Everything's been dialed in for this gentleman. He can still run it on the street, but when he puts his boost on there, things gonna be like a rocket ship. Hey, again, what we do here is we custom build engines that you would want for your car. If there's anything we can help with, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. We enjoy building all these great motors, and you'll see, we build a great piece each and every day. Thank you. 427 Windsor.
Big head.
What we got here, Matty?
630 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
605 foot-pounds of torque.
Very nice. All on under 10 compression.